conjunctions, major conjunction portion is in A2. Then some of the reflexive verbs, some of the dative verbs. So nominative, accusative, dative, they are being repeated in A2 also, along with the genitive also, along with the genitive case. And so we would be starting next Saturday, A2, and then I think there would be one more student who would be joining in.
Okay. From
Yep.
next Saturday.
Yes. So the timing and the schedule would be same.
Okay. So what is different in A2 means other than what you mentioned? What is new into A2? I mean,
It's just the little bit of complexity level would increase, like not much, but just a little bit. Let's say in A1, if you're reading any email with the 3-4 lines, there would be like 5-6 lines. Some of
okay.
the conjunctions would be used on regular basis. The sentence structure would be a little longer. अभी आप एक एक दो दो बहुत छोटे छोटे sentences बना रहे हो, उसमें थोड़े से बड़े sentences होंगे.
Right.
So overall it would be like same, but the complexity would be little more. कि आप जो बोलना चाह रहे हो वो थोड़ा अच्छे से express कर पाओगे, because you would have more exposure towards grammar topics, reading part, listening part, and the vocabulary.
Okay.
So the exposure would be little more, as you can say. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
8 का भी मैं आपका folder बना दूंगी, and I'll add all the books whatever required there.
Okay.
So this is we did already. Okay, so let's focus more on listening part today.
Okay.
आपने ये वाला नहीं किया था ना 11 वाला?
No, ये वाला नहीं किया अभी.
Okay, ठीक है, let me just open it.
Aufgabe 3D. Aufgabe 7b.
Natürlich. Bauen.
Aufgabe 8a.
Guten. Feld.
Aufgabe 9.
Der steht hier.
Aufgabe 11a.
So here there are some of the products which are given, and then the Stock, 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 und Stock. That means 5th floor, 4th floor, and so on.
Okay.
Erdgeschoss, as in ground floor, Untergeschoss, underground wala floor.
Right.
Okay. Sie sind im Kaufhaus und suchen verschiedenes Dinge. You are in the shopping mall and you are finding verschiedene Dinge, like lot of things you are finding. Sehen Sie die Tafel an. Wo finden Sie was? Then we would be seeing the board. We would be finding whatever we can find where, and then we would be doing the listening exercise simultaneously.
What is there Kugelschreiber?
Pencil.
Okay, that is pencil. Okay.
Pen, sorry. The Bleistift is pencil, and then Kugelschreiber is pen.
Okay.
So in the listening part, the Kaufhaus Tafel. This Kaufhaus Tafel is like shopping mall the board, the display board which is there, which is telling you what you can find where. So das ist Kaufhaus-Tafel. Tafel means board. Hören Sie das Gespräch, was möchte Frau Wagner und ihre Tochter kaufen? Wo gibt es das? So you have to figure out what this female and her daughter want to buy and where they can find it.
Okay.
Also, was brauchen wir noch für das Fest?
Ich brauche unbedingt noch einen Lippenstift.
Lippenstift. Lippenstift, das gibt es bei Kosmetik im Erdgeschoss. Und ich brauche noch ein neues Parfum. Das ist auch im Erdgeschoss bei Parfümerie.
Kann ich auch noch ein neues T-Shirt haben?
T-Shirt, wir können ja mal schauen. Vielleicht finden wir etwas. Aber hast du noch Kindergröße oder müssen wir schon in die Damenabteilung?
Nee, Damenmode ist doof. Die sieht langweilig aus. Im 3. Stock gibt es Kleidung für Jugendliche.
Ach, ich brauche noch eine Batterie für den Fotoapparat.
Okay, aber ich habe Durst. Können wir zuerst etwas trinken?
Einen Kaffee hätte ich jetzt auch gern. Wohin müssen wir dann?
Ich glaube, wir gehen erstmal.
Okay.
Verstanden?
Yeah, a little bit. So she was talking about their Lippenstift, about their cafe, their perfume, their T-shirt, and their photo apparat. Yes, that much I understand.
Und wo finden Sie diese Sache, diese Dinge?
Mm,
So der Lippenstift am Erdgeschoss,
yeah, cosmetic, right.
dann
At
der Kaffee,
cafe, at, yeah, at up fünf Star. Yeah, cafe,
5. Stock.
fünf.
Es gibt ein Café. Am 5. Stock gibt es ein Café. So at the 5th floor there is one cafe.
Okay.
And die also, die können das am 5. Stock finden.
Right.
Dann der Perfume,
The perfume is at Erdes Strasse.
am Erdgeschoss.
At Bischof.
Es gibt ein
Perfume.
Parfümerei.
Perfumery. Right.
Dann das T-Shirt,
Fünf Star.
where das T-Shirt,
Fifth floor. Fünf Star.
by 5th floor. So when it comes to T-shirt, let's play it again and pay attention after the conversation after they mention T-shirt, because there are 2 stocks and 2 departments which they mentioned, and you have to tell me where exactly the daughter goes.
Okay. Are you playing? Hello?
So what did they mention about T-shirt?
I was actually speaking. There was no sound.
Uh-uh.
You were not able to listen to me.
आवाज ही नहीं आई आपकी.
मैंने बोला था लेकिन I guess आपको आई नहीं.
Okay, I'm just playing it again.
Das ist auch im Erdgeschoss. Lippenstift. Lippenstift, das gibt es bei Kosmetik im Erdgeschoss. Und ich brauche noch ein neues Parfum.
You're saying something again?
No, means I think you want to start?
Lippenstift.
You know?
Yeah.
Lippenstift. Lippenstift, das gibt es bei Kosmetik im Erdgeschoss. Und ich brauche noch ein neues Parfum. Das ist auch im Erdgeschoss bei Parfümerie.
Kann ich auch noch ein neues T-Shirt haben?
T-Shirt, wir können ja mal schauen. Vielleicht finden wir etwas. Aber hast du noch Kindergröße oder müssen wir schon in die Damenabteilung?
Nee, Damenmode ist doof. Die sieht langweilig aus. Im 3. Stock gibt es Kleidung für Jugendliche.
Ach, ich brauche noch eine Batterie.
So what did they mention about t-shirt?
मेरे को clear नहीं हुआ.
रुको मैं ट्रांसक्रिप्ट चलाती हूँ. So first they mentioned t-shirt. Her mother was saying that we would be going im Aston stock. She mentioned im Daman Moda. That means the section for female. Daman Moda is like female fashion.
Okay.
Im Aston stock. But then the daughter says, das ist sehr langweilig. That is very boring. So she was looking for something in the boys department. Im Aston stock. Mode für Kinder und Jugendliche. Jungen, young boys.
Yeah.
Now I'm opening this also. इसमें आप देखना. And then we'll listen to it again, and then looking at the transcription also. From here.
Yeah.
Aufgabe 11a.
No, there's no voice.
ये डिस्कनेक्ट क्यों हो रहा है बार बार?
Lippenstift.
Fine now.
Yeah, it's coming now.
Das gibt es bei Kosmetik im Erdgeschoss. Und ich brauche noch ein neues Parfum. Das ist auch im Erdgeschoss bei Parfümerie.
Kann ich auch noch ein neues T-Shirt haben?
T-Shirt, wir können ja mal schauen. Vielleicht finden wir etwas. Aber hast du noch Kindergröße oder müssen wir schon in die Damenabteilung?
Nee, Damenmode ist doof. Die sieht langweilig aus. Im 3. Stock gibt es Kleidung für Jugendliche.
Ach, ich brauche noch eine Batterie für den Fotoapparat.
Okay, aber ich habe Durst. Können wir zuerst etwas trinken?
Einen Kaffee hätte ich jetzt auch gern. Wohin müssen wir dann?
Ich glaube, wir gehen erstmal.
Yeah, so she was
Which
talking.
time?
Yeah, she was talking about the Kleidung für Jugendlich.
Jugendlichen. That means young boys. Boys. So Mädchen. Mädchen und Jugendlichen. Mädchen, das Mädchen is a girl, and then the Junge is a boy.
Okay.
Okay. So now, sie sind im Kaufhaus und suchen verschiedene Dinge. Sehen Sie die Tafel, wo finden Sie was? Now, as per the points here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to see the board and see and tell where you can find what. Sie suchen ein Geschenk für ihre Schwester. Sie kocht gern.
Okay, so Miss, you need to find the gift for your sister, and she likes to cook.
Right.
So
So first you have to decide what you want und wo sie kann das finden. Und wo kann sie das finden? Das Geschenk. And then you have to tell the sentence as per these, like im Erdgeschoss, im ersten Stock gibt es oder kann ich das finden.
okay. Yeah, so im Untergeschoss gibt es alles für die Küche.
Alles für die Küche.
Für die Küche gibt finden. Gibt es finden.
Gibt es finden? No. Gibt es means there is. There is find. There is I can find. This is not the sentence you say, right? So, आपने बोला im Untergeschoss. Untergeschoss gibt es. Gibt es means there is. In the underground floor there is or there are alles für die Küche. Now, für die Küche. It is mentioned there already. And like last time I told you where to use da and where to use dot. So here you can use there. Da kann ich ein Geschenk für eine Schwester finden.
Correct.
This sentence, is it clear? इसमें कोई grammatical confusion?
No, there I can find a gift for my sister.
Yes. Now instead of my sister, let's say you have to write her. What would you write? That is accusative.
Right. So sein. No, not sein.
Sein is his.
Sein.
That is possessive.
Yes. So, ihre. Right?
Few ear. Or a few G.
But this is accusative, no? So this would be neutral ear.
No. Which one would you place? Ear or a Z?
Ear.
That would be Z.
G.
Ear is dative. Z ear.
CZ ear. Okay.
So that goes like air, in, and then im, then Z, ear, S, and then im. Now some of the words here are almost similar, so that is why it's very important that you keep on reviewing them. Now this ear here is the dative case. Z would be the case here.
Right.
Da kann ich ein Geschenk für Sie finden. Für Sie oder meine Schwester.
Meine Schwester.
Schwester is the Schwester, so meine. Had it been Bruder, that would be meinen Bruder.
Right.
Schwester oder meinen Bruder. Then, so here, für ihn, für sie oder ihn. Here, meinen Bruder, this yellow, and then meine Schwester, this green. So meine Schwester oder sie und dann meinen Bruder oder ihn. Him.
Correct.
So ihn is him and ihm is for him. Here, this one.
Yes.
Ihn, him, and ihm for him. Okay. Next one.
Sie brauchen ein Kugelschreiber. Kugelschreiber. Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up a bit? Yes. Yeah. So im Erdgeschoss gibt es Schreibewohren finden.
Yep. So you have to find the Kugelschreiber and where you would find it. फिर से बताओ.
Im Erdgeschoss gibt es Schreibewohren finden.
Schreibwaren. Gibt es Schreibwaren. So you cannot use gibt es and finden together.
Okay.
Es gibt, there is. So there is itself is something where you can go and find. You don't have to mention find specifically there. So es gibt Schreibwaren. That is it. Im Erdgeschoss gibt es Schreibwaren. In the ground floor there are like things to write. Und da kann ich ein Kugelschreiber finden. Da kann ich den Kugelschreiber finden, not einen oder den, der Kugelschreiber. So that's how you would write this sentence. Im Erdgeschoss gibt es Dinge oder gibt es die Schreibware. Da kann ich einen Kuli oder Kugelschreiber finden. So gibt es के साथ आप finden नहीं लगाओगे. Where I can find the so can के साथ you can use it but not gibt es because that is like complete word altogether. You cannot say that there is I can find. There is I find. There is die Schreibware finden.
Okay. So there is a separate thing.
Yes.
And finden we'll use for separate sentence. So what is Kuli?
Kuli Kugelschreiber.
Kuli. Okay.
Dann Nummer 3.
Ihr Vater hat Geburtstag. Er fotografiert gern. Okay, so im Im Fierschoss, right?
Im
Im
Fiaten Stock.
Fierschoss gibt es Foto Fotozobior.
Photo zu behavior. Photo zu behavior. Anything related to photos.
Okay. Im Fierstadt Schoss gibt es
Fiaten
Vierten Schoss
Stock.
Stock. Okay. Im vierten Stock gibt es Fotosubior. Okay. Da kann ich einem
Hmm. Da kann ich was finden?
Foto app.
Kamera.
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 Okay.
Kamera oder Fotoapparat.
Fotoapparat finden.
Der Fotoapparat oder das Kamera.
Okay.
So da kann ich einen Fotoapparat oder ein Kamera finden. Fotoapparat is there, so that is why einen. Kamera is das Kamera, so ein.
Okay.
Nummer 4.
Sie suchen ein Spiel für den Sohn vor Freunden.
Für den Sohn von Freunden. The son of your friend.
Okay.
For Freunden. Of
Son,
friends.
son for friend, na?
For is für. Von is of or from. So the son of your friends.
Right.
Sie suchen den Sohn für den Freunden. You're searching a son for your friends. No. Den Sohn von Freunden. Okay. Ein Spiel, a game you're finding.
So, im fünften Stock gibt es
Sport article.
Sport Artikel. Da kann ich einen
Ein Spiel, das Spiel.
Spiel, right? Right. Ein Spiel. There's
Finden.
no. Okay, right. Ein Spiel finden.
Da kann ich ein Spiel für er finden. Für ihn finden.
For him, right.
So da kann ich ein Spiel für ihn, him, for him finden.
Right.
Nummer 5.
Wir spielen gern Tennis und brauchen Ball.
Bälle. Ball, B-A-L-L, Ball. Und die Bälle, Balls. One ball is Ball und balls are Bälle.
So again, im fünften Stock gibt es Sports article. Da kann ich ähm, Tennis. Oh, da kann ich die die Bala finden.
Da kann ich die Bella finden. So im 15. Stock.
Im 15. Stock.
Like 14.
Hm.
15.
15.
Ersten, zweiten, dritten, vierten, fünften, sechsten, sechsten, but not siebenten, but siebten. Then achten, neunten, zehnten, elften.
What is Vita Arsta?
So these are the like first, second, third. This and this is same. But why here we are writing im 15 stock? So stock is floor is. What is the article for floor? There.
So.
Since this is dative, wo, right? In we would be using with wo. Wo khane shatpa spindon. So im. There would become them. Im 15 stock. So here this particular fifth, that is like adjective, you can say. So when you are using anything with adjective now, like with article or any preposition, so first the article which you have to apply, you have applied it here in the preposition, and then whatever we are left with, the adjective we have, that would have extra en. That is like adjective endings which we would be doing. But I'm telling you why we have used fünften here instead of fünfter, because fifth is fünfter, but we are using fünften here because that is going with dative. So once we would be doing adjective ending, this would become clear. Why not zweiter but zweiten? Why not asta but aston? And why not dritter but dritten? Why this extra n?
Okay.
Okay.
And im is coming because of the dative case. Because of einen, it's become im.
Yes. So it's like in, them, aston. So in them would become im. इन एस्टर के साथ हमने एक्स्ट्रा एन क्यों लगाया? जब हम ये एडजेक्टिव एंडिंग्स करेंगे तब ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. Now again we write okay. So let's quickly summarize this before starting the new chapter.
Okay.
Überkleidungssprechen. Is this clear? या इसमें कोई confusion है? This particular first section, Überkleidungssprechen.
This is about that topic, no? Shopping mall. A conversation between that customer and sales.
Yes.
Okay.
Then Gespräch beim Kleiderkauf führen. Kleiderkauf is shopping for clothes. Kleiderkauf. Das Kleiderkauf. That comes from kaufen.
Okay.
So kaufen is to purchase, and then kauf is like the product you are purchasing. The complete shopping as a concept, as a noun.
This is right. I mean, this is clear.
Okay. Ein Moment. So das ist der Kauf, der Kleiderkauf, Verkäufer und Kunde sich im Kaufhaus orientieren.
What is this? This in Kaufhaus orientieren.
So like placing yourself or adjusting yourself or where to navigate yourself in the Kaufhaus, in the shopping mall. Sich. Sich is being used for yourself here.
Okay.
So im Erdgeschoss, im ersten Stock oder zweiten Stock und so weiter. This grammatic portion is clear. ये हमने homework में किया था. And then Verben mit Dativ. Now, this is something important. Though we have learned nominative case, accusative case, dative case along with the preposition, but there are some of the verbs which are either fixed accusative or either fixed dative. So when you would be seeing that verb, you would understand like, okay, if this is the verb which I have to use, the case would be dative only. If this is a verb, the case would be accusative only. So Verben mit Dativ, some of the verbs are like gefallen.
Right.
Gefallen as in to suit. So there pullover gefällt mir. So you would not be using mich here, but gefällt mir.
Yeah. Okay.
It suits
This
to
is
me
a
because
dative.
yes, the verb also would give a hint if that is like for or to somebody, the dative case or accusative case, person. Something which does not suits to you. So that would also be dative. Stehen oder helfen. Bitte helfen Sie mir. Please help me. So you would not be writing helfen Sie mich. Bitte helfen Sie mir. Not mich. So helfen is the verb. Then gehören. Gehören means to belong.
Right.
So I'll make a list for these verbs and then some practice portion also. So tomorrow we would be doing that.
Okay.
Verbs
As
with
a homework?
accusative on dative.
As a homework or?
No. I would be
Acha.
preparing the list for you so that we can do that tomorrow.
Okay.
Like a complete list of accusative verbs and dative verbs. Now, gesund und munter. Gesund means health and munter means like being cheerful.
Gesund means help.
Health.
But helfen is help, no?
Health.
Okay.
Health. Gesund und munter. So here we would be talking about health, eating habits, and what do we have? Gespräch beim Arzt. So when you have to go to the doctor, what kind of conversation would be there? What all nutrients are there? Like this female, she's checking about the she's checking the nutrition chart or maybe the expiry date of the products. Then things related to fitness, eating, doctor und so weiter. Okay, so let's start from here. Start reading from here.
Okay. This one? Okay. Gesund Leben was Musman Martin.
So in order, gesund Leben, healthy life. What a person has to do.
Right.
So in Photo 1, Svena räumt Schokolade und Chips aus dem Schrank. Sie möchten gesund essen. So what here doing is actually she is taking out the chocolates from the cupboard.
Okay.
Now here in second picture, what is she doing?
She's looking at some dishes and some Eatables are there on the table, so she is looking at that.
Hmm. So, but she is avoiding
Avoiding, okay. Because
because she want to stay fit.
yeah, she's carrying fruits and vegetables, so she
Hmm.
wants to avoid that cake and pastries.
Hmm. So she fermented.
Fermented means avoiding.
Hmm.
Okay.
So vermeiden is the verb. That would be vermeidet.
Okay. To avoid.
Hmm. Also, sie vermeidet the. What is she avoiding?
Um,
केक को क्या बोलते हैं और like the small cookies which we learned in the Essen und Trinken chapter.
mhm. Strudel, no, that was something else.
Kuchen.
Kuchen, right.
Hmm. Oder sie vermeiden die Süßigkeiten.
Zusisch.
Süßigkeiten. Das ist O mit Umlaut and das ist scharfes S. O mit
Okay.
Umlaut and then scharfes S. Süßigkeiten like sweets.
Right.
Now, Nummer 3. Was macht sie? क्या कर रही है ये इसमें?
They're having cola and some fast food.
Hmm.
Doesn't look like they are bothered about their health.
Hmm.
Pizza.
Like everyone is having pizza and Coke, but she is
Yeah.
having a small portion of something.
Yeah. And
Also,
having water.
also sie vermeidet Pizza und Cola.
Yeah.
Nummer 4. Was macht sie?
She is wearing socks.
In the morning, maybe she is going for a walk or
Yeah.
workout.
Yeah.
So, sie geht spazieren. Morgen geht sie spazieren.
Spazieren, right.
Okay. So we have these many pictures only, right? Okay.
The last one.
This
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Sie ist
Fruits and juice.
viel Obst essen.
Obst means?
Fruits. Obst und Gemüse. Fruits
Yeah.
and vegetables. Now here gibt es vielleicht ein Tagesablauf oder ein blog by Trey. So there is a blog of her. Let's read it and then find out what is she doing exactly here. So this is a description of what is she doing here.
Okay.
Svena's blog.
Okay, so at these are the dates, right?
Right.
So, ein und eins und 30.
30 am 1 und 30. Maths.
March, right?
Maths.
Maths. Okay. Morgan gets lost.
Hmm.
Acht Wochen, gesund, leben. Das ist mein Ziel.
Seal. Seal.
Viel.
Seal.
Okay.
Seal. Sir. Like goal or destination.
Okay. Das ist mein Ziel.
Seal. Sir. Sir.
Ziel.
Sight.
Ziel. Das bedeutet dreimal täglich essen und mindestens 3 Liter Wasser trinken,
Hmm.
Komma, 5-mal in der Woche Sports. Heute, heute bin ich etwas nervös. Äh, sch- schaffe ich das?
Sharper.
Schaffe ich das?
Sharpen means to sort out or to manage. Sharpen.
Okay. Schaffe das. Okay. Zwei
Monate.
Monate sind lang.
Hmm.
Jetzt muss ich noch meinen äh, Küchenschrank,
Küchenschrank.
Küchenschrank aufräumen,
Räumen.
aufräumen. Alle ungesunden Sachen, Skolo, Schokolade,
Schokolade.
Schokolade,
Chocolate.
hm,
Chocolate.
Schokolade, Müsenweg, mein Nachbar führen sich.
Hmm. So this is the first photo where she's cleaning up her cupboard of kitchen, like the kitchen cabinets. Cushion shrunk. So what is she saying here?
Morgan get loose means morning में in the morning get up.
Gate loss as in like morning passed away. Gate loss. It like went away.
Okay. Okay. So morning get lost, right? Acht Wochen
Ah,
diesen Leben means from 8 weeks. Leben. Das ist mein Ziel. Means gesund is
healthy.
healthy, yes. So, so 8 weeks means I'm not getting कि 8 weeks से क्या
So it's maybe that it's her goal to live 8 weeks in a healthy manner, so that after that she would be used to it. So
okay.
8 weeks of healthy living, that is her goal.
Hmm. 8 weeks healthy living, right? Das ist mein Ziel. That
Hmm.
is my goal. Das bedeutet means this mean
Hmm.
three times
Daily.
täglich. Okay, daily. Three times daily eat und mindestens
Minimum.
minimum. Okay.
Mindestens.
Understand minimum 3 liter water drink, and she
Hmm.
has to drink 3 liter water minimum,
Yes.
and 5 times in their week sport मतलब week में 5 times sports.
Right.
Okay, so today bin ich etwas nervous. Today I am ich etwas is um, etwas का क्या मतलब था?
Like
Little.
some or little.
Little nervous, and Shafa Ishtas. Shafa is um, बताया था अभी
Manage or to sort. So I
हाँ
would manage that.
So I need to, but it has a question mark. So what is would be mean is so do I
Shaf.
need
So Shafa ish das, like you're asking yourself, she's asking herself, would I be able to manage it or would I be able to make it? Shafa is das, would I be able to make it?
correct, correct,
Can I
correct.
make it something like this?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Monat means 2 months. Sein lang, lang means
2 months are very long.
right. 2 months are very long. Just muss ich noch meinen, मतलब just
Yet,
uh,
yet, now.
just yeah now I must not
Hmm.
meinen auf Raumen means I must not the kitchen cupboard.
Knock means is like expression which has been put, like additional word for expression is like yet, however, or now, something which we use now. So it's
Mhm.
not like yet. She's now yet to clean up her cabinet from kitchen. Out
Auf
to clean.
Raumen means to clean.
Out
Yeah, okay.
employment to clean.
So alle ungesunden Sachen means elements people
All
all
gesund is healthy, ungesund unhealthy.
right. Unhealthy Sachen means
Things.
huh?
Things. Dinge und
Things.
Sachen. One and the same thing.
Okay. Things
Dinge,
like chocolate.
Dinge
Hmm.
und Sachen. Like things. Both means things.
Sachen. Okay. So all unhealthy things like chocolate,
Mm.
müssen weg meine Nachbarn führen sich. So museum is
So this till vague, it's the one sentence, and from minor there is a new sentence starting. So
yeah.
alle ungesunde Sachen müssen weg. Now all unhealthy things would be out. Like vague as a word, it means like way, but when you use it in the, that is also used in the in the sense of throwing away something. When you're throwing away something.
Okay. So weg
So
itself means to throw away.
in this particular sentence, it means to throw away. Like they have to be now out. They have to be thrown away now.
Okay. Else means if we are using it individually, then weg is
Way. Like
wait.
Au
Okay.
auf meinem Weg. On my way.
Okay.
Now meine Nachbarn freuen sich. And her neighbors are very happy because she's throwing away all the stuff and the neighbors are very happy because of that.
Because वो नेवर के फेंकने वाली है क्या?
maybe maybe neighbors के बच्चों को दे देगी.
Chocolates especially.
Hmm. Then
Mm,
2. April.
2. April, right? Morgens halb sieben
Hmm.
Sports. So in the morning I play sports. Sieben is seven, na?
Halb sieben. What would be the time?
Halb
Halb sieben. At
7:30.
6:30. Halb sieben.
Yeah, correct. 6:30. Sports means at 6 morning 6:30 sports.
Hmm.
Das ist nicht für mich. This is not much for me.
That is not for me.
Das ist nicht for me. Yes, this is not for me. Ich bin heute Viertel nach 6 aufgestanden und dann gleich zum Joggen gegangen.
Hmm.
Means today I am
Hmm. Aufgestanden. At what time she woke up?
mm, Viertel nach 6
Hmm.
means Viertel nach 6 means 4 quarter to
Quarter past 6.
quarter past 6.
6:15. So at
Yes.
6:15 she woke up. Ich bin heute bin aufgestanden. Perfekt. Aufstehen und dann aufstehen und aufgestanden. Bin aufgestanden. Und dann gleich zum Joggen gegangen. And then went to the jogging.
These all are perfect, right?
Yes. And with gegangen here also she would be using bin.
Right.
And joggen is das joggen. So just to repeat again, joggen when you are writing as a verb, that means to jog, it would be with small j. But when you be using as a noun, that would be das joggen. That means jogging. Jogging as a noun.
Okay.
Das joggen. So das joggen. So su plus dem. Su dem joggen. It would become sum joggen. Gegangen.
Correct.
Clear है ये?
Yeah.
Okay.
But वो देम बना because of dative
Dan,
case.
dan, then, und dann. She woke up and then.
No.
Dan.
Zoom because of zoo plus them.
Okay, right. Them. Su plus them because of dative. Because su is dative preposition, na?
Right.
Yes. Das war
At for
echt. Echt as in truly.
truly. Okay. And sure is
Tough. Schwer.
okay. Sure. Okay, that was truly tough. Aber jetzt bin ich glücklich.
Glücklich.
Glücklich means but now I am glücklich. Glücklich क्या था?
Happy.
Okay, but now I am happy.
Hmm.
Ich habe es geschafft.
Hmm. That I have managed it. That was truly very difficult to do, but now I am happy that I finally managed it. I finally made it. Ich habe es geschafft. I made it finally. So here schwer, another adjective, schwer is like tough or difficult or heavy, and the opposite is leicht, very easy or light. In terms of weight, light in terms of weight, heavy again in terms of weight, then difficult and easy in terms of a task to do, the complexity. Schwer und leicht. Not und balki schwer oder leicht, easy or tough.
Yeah, easy or tough.
Now from here, dann noch
Duschen
duschen
und ins Büro.
yes.
So then knock is again for this expression. Duschen is the preposition.
Duschen means to shower.
To shower, yes. Shower. Und ins Büro. Bureau is office, no?
Yes, ins Büro. In das Büro.
Means shower in office.
So then she took a shower and then went to office.
So where is went to means gehen or nothing?
So when you are writing anything in a colloquial way, umgangssprachlich, Umgangssprachlich is like colloquial way. So when it's not necessary to use all the verbs. Dann noch duschen und ins Büro. So when she's saying she took a bath and then she's mentioning office, it is understood that she must have taken a bath and then she went to the office.
Okay.
So in most of the time you will notice when you would be seeing any movie or any video, there would be a lot of colloquial words where they would be avoiding to use additional verbs.
Right.
So instead of saying ich kann Deutsch sprechen, they would be saying ich kann Deutsch. So if you are mentioning language, that itself states कि आप उस language के लिए sprechen ही use करोगे. So when something is very obvious, so they try to avoid that particular verb in a normal colloquial language.
Okay.
Dann ich war heute.
Ich war heute die Ärzte, die Kollegin seien alle später gekommen. Ich war. So it was today.
Ich war, I was.
I was today. The Erster is
First.
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 Okay. The colleague and all später gekommen. Means the colleague and all people
came late and she was the first.
Right. Came late.
So now just additional thing, this var, this is like opposite we have learned now. Sign conjugation for sein, that is like present tense. Sein, haben and sein is to be in present. We have waren, that means was. So how do we conjugate war? Ich bin, ich war.
Du bist, du warst.
Sehr schön. Ist, sie, es.
Ist and sie, es. Wrist.
Nein. Das ist wahr.
War, okay.
War. Dann haben wir ihr. Ihr seid.
So again, what?
Okay. So इसका conjugation ना, you can relate it to like while you are conjugating the modal verbs na, something like that. Like ish and ers would have same thing. Then with do there would be extra st and then ear would be normal.
Right.
And then wir sie
sein.
Sind.
Sorry. Yeah. So.
And then waren.
Infinitive form again, huh?
Yes. इसको आप quickly note down कर लो. Along with this one. सामने सामने.
Along with what?
Along with this present form. Ich bin, ich war. Du bist, du warst. Something like that.
So now this is about the past tense, huh?
Yes. Green highlighted, they are past tense. Waren. Like this is also another topic in A2, but that is like more detailed.
Past tense.
Past tense.
We have a past perfect also.
Yes, there is past perfect also. Like आप लिखते हो ना, like ich habe das gemacht. So that is present perfect. Like I have done this, something which you have done recently, and the repercussion is in the current time also. Ich habe das gemacht. But when there would be past perfect, that would be ich hatte das gemacht. I had done that.
Okay. Hata.
Hatte. So वो haben का जो past tense होता है, that we would be using, and then gemacht. So the helping verb which you would be using, that would also be in past form. As of now with present tense we use that, we conjugate that in present and use third form. तो जब आप past perfect करोगे तो वो सारा past में हो जाएगा.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay, now here Saint April, this one.
Frühstücken wie ein König. König. Frühstücken wie ein König. Das mache ich und das brauche ich auch.
Brauche, not sure, k.
Okay.
Mostly sure is when there is sch, sure.
Okay. And when there is ch only, so that is kha.
Yes.
Okay.
Mache, not mache, M-A-C-H, no? So mache. Similarly, brauche, but Mensch, M-E-N-S-C-H. Wie zum Beispiel M-E-N-S-C-H, Mensch with S-C-H. Mensch. Oder Menschen, that means people.
People.
Here, mittags.
Mittag esse ich etwas Warmes und Salad und am 5 noch ein bisschen Musik.
Bisschen, little bit. Ein bisschen.
Muesli.
Muesli.
Am Abend es ich nichts mehr, dann bin ich morgens richtig hungrig.
Hungarisch.
It's hungrish or hungrig?
Hungarisch. So when we are putting G at the end, it gives sh sound.
Okay.
Like 20, 30.
Yes.
So Hungarisch.
Aber ein Tasse Kaffee muss auch sein. Ohne Kaffee geht es nicht. Means ein König in breakfast. We ein König is
König is king. Frühstücken means to have breakfast. To breakfast like a king. Das mache ich, that I do. Und das brauche ich auch. This is something I do and I need that also.
Okay, brauche ich auch. Okay, I need that too. Mittag esse ich etwas Warmes. In midday meals, I eat etwas Warmes.
Warmes. Warm. That means warm. Warm.
Okay. So warm, what warm? Means etwas.
Anything which is little warm.
Okay, little warm. And
Salad.
Salad. And noch ein besagten Müsli. and at 5
Hmm.
5 noch ein.
Und you noch ein and 5 like another little bit of muesli.
Right.
Am abends esse ich nicht mehr. And then in the evening I don't eat anymore. Then I am
Maris.
very where
Maris.
Mehr is more or any more. I don't eat anything.
Hmm.
Nicht mehr. That means no more. In evening I don't eat anymore.
Dann bin ich morgens richtig hungrig.
Hmm.
Okay. Dann I in the morning I am right hungry.
Richtig is here is really. Really.
Okay.
Or
In
true.
the okay in the morning I am really hungry, but eine Tasse Coffee muss auch sein. Tasse means
Eine Tasse Kaffee, 1 cup coffee.
Tasse is cup.
Cup.
Okay, one coffee. I must.
So there should be a 1 cup of coffee also. Ohne Kaffee geht es nicht. It doesn't work with me or it doesn't go with me without a coffee.
Okay.
S geht. At
Okay.
that means it goes or something which is happening with you. Es geht mir gut. I am doing good. So S geht in that sense.
Okay. So here means we have used gate as.
Verb at second position, na una cafe first position and then gate verb at the second position. So S gate को हमने gate S लिखा है.
Okay, so we cannot use like Ona Cafe as gate nicht. So,
नहीं.
nahin? Okay, so means as gate is not completely a verb. Gate is verb and we are using as after verb.
So like these are like maybe you can say a small part of the sentence which mostly come together like es gibt, there is,
Yes.
and es geht, it goes. Like es geht mir gut, it goes fine with me. It goes or there is. Like a small structure to make sentences.
Okay, so generally these words goes together.
Yes.
There is.
So आप उसको as gift भी लिख सकते हो और gift as भी लिख सकते हो depending on the sentence you are making.
Okay. Fine.
Now here.
Yeah. Dreizehn. Dreizehn. April.
Okay. So one more thing, Ashwini. जैसे मैंने बोला, let's say 40. So here we have G at the end. So
Right.
here it would give sh sound, 40. But when we are saying 40th, that would be 40. So that would not be 40, but 16. Here G is not at the end. We have STEN after G. So that would give G sound. Here it would give sh sound. Sh sound from G and then G sound from G.
Okay. 40 and 40.
Yes, 40 und dann 40. Similarly, 30 und 30.
30. Correct.
Noted?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be 30 April.
30 April. Right. So 3 liter täglich trinken means daily 3 liter water
Hmm.
Drinken.
Hmm.
Drinken. Okay. Das ist wirklich viel.
Hmm. That is
Wirklich,
really a lot. Really. Wirklich is
really,
really.
really. And richtig is also really.
Yes, when you are exclamating something in sentence, like this is truly, really,
Hmm.
actually, then richtig, wirklich, these are the
Okay.
things can be used.
You told me earlier also. Yeah. Okay. Das ist wirklich viel. Man, manchmal fühle, fühl,
Fuel.
manchmal fühle ich mich wie
Hmm.
ein Camel.
Hmm.
Manchmal ist
Manchmal. So
manch,
here, this would be sure, though there is not s, but then it would be sure. Nobody knows why is that. Not
I'm
only
about
nobody
to ask.
knows.
Okay.
Manchmal, Fuller. Fuller means to feel.
Hmm.
Fuller, Ishmish, wie ein Kamel.
So manchmal means
Sometimes, at times,
sometimes. Okay. Sometimes I feel ein camel. Camel means like a camel.
camel,
Because,
camel.
because she is drinking
Which
3 liter. Okay. So, und dann immer nur Wasser.
Noor
Nur
means
is
only.
only, yeah. So, und dann immer, and sometimes only water.
Hmm. So that is not Noor, that is Noor. Noor.
No,
O, not U.
no.
Hmm. Noah, Wasser.
Okay. Die Kollegen sitzen gemütlich
Hmm.
in der Cafeteria
Hmm.
und alle trinken Saft, Cola, Limo und ich. Okay, so she's saying that the colleague sits.
Gemütlich is like cozily or comfortably in the cafeteria.
And all
Everybody drinks.
uh,
Everybody drinks
juice.
juice, cola. Limo is limonade, like a
Okay.
lemon.
Uh,
Ich onu Wasser.
okay. Where is bleibt hard? So
Hmm.
bleib is means I stay hard,
Heart as in like I stayed
strong,
strong.
strong. Yeah. So ich will the act walken sh- sharp sharpen on the half ish shown vorby
Hmm.
vorby
For
vorby.
by. For by.
Yeah.
For by as in like went already or passed. So here she's saying, I will do it for 8 weeks. I'll make it for 8 weeks, and the helfter, half of it is done already.
Okay.
Shown or by. Done already or passed already. Like 1 month has passed already. Because she started from 1st April, 2nd
Mm.
April, and it's 30th April already. So
Yeah.
4 weeks are passed already. Then
Then Zain क्या बोला था
Sainton.
Zainston uh,
So Sainton. Ten.
Zainton.
So till 1 to 19 we add ten, and then 20 onwards we add ten. Zwanzigsten, aber 19.
1 second. 20 youths 10.
20 onwards like
Hmm.
Zwan, मैं लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे Zwanzigsten. Zwanzigsten, aber 18, 19, 18. So extra ten. So यहाँ पे act के साथ I have added only en because act already has t. So हम यहाँ पे double t नहीं लगाएंगे. So just one t.
Okay, and if it's ein, so we'll use einten.
Aston.
Aston.
For one is a exception here, for which we'll be writing Aston.
Aston. Brighton. Correct.
Only with Acton, t or t is already there, तो हमने double t नहीं लगाया. ये श्रीबुल
उस पे जाओ ना आप. मैं I can see the word. Okay. So Zenten, April.
May. Fifth हो गया ना?
May, correct. Manchmal, Träume, Ishwan, Schokolade.
Chocolate.
चोकोलावा तो नहीं है?
नहीं chocolate है chocolate.
Chocolada.
Traumen means to dream.
To dream. Okay.
Traumen. So that is irregular verb. The case where we add umlaut with a. So träumen, like fahren, laufen.
Right.
Träume.
And manchmal.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Manchmal vielleicht nicht hier in Kamal.
Correct. Sometimes I dream about for
Chocolates.
For chocolate.
Lecker means tasty.
Tasty. So feel Süßigkeiten.
Süßigkeiten.
Süßigkeiten is
Sweets.
Sweets. Okay. Tasty. So feel tasty. Aber nicht für mich means but not for me. Das ist acht gemein means gemein means this is 8th going, right?
This is like gemein, das ist echt gemein, that is like totally cruel, that is totally mean, like not to have chocolates or desserts.
So act is
echt,
not act, right? This is totally cruel. Aber in 3 Wochen kaufe ich mir meine Lieblingsschokolade. Okay. Und esse sie ganz allein. Okay, but in 3rd week.
3 weeks in 3 Wochen, not dritte, no? 3, so 3, not 3rd.
Okay, yes, but in 3 week. I purchase for me Liebling
chocolate. That means my favorite chocolate. Something which is a favorite. Any noun. उसके पहले you can add Lieblings. Mein Lieblings dress. Mein Lieblings Kleidung. Lieblings Schokolade.
ठीक है. 3 weeks I purchased my favorite chocolate und es sie ganz allein.
Ganz allein.
And I S is Essen.
Esse und esse. Yes, I'll eat them all alone.
Okay. Hoffentlich. Hoffentlich schmeckt sie mir dann
überhaupt noch.
Hmm.
Hoffentlich means sometime,
Hopefully.
hopefully. Schmack sie mir dann.
Schmecken means to taste. Hopefully they would taste something to me. Dann hopefully no. Hopefully I would be able to feel the taste after 8 weeks.
Okay, so as we used would be,
Hmm.
so where would be is using here?
So that is like don't do word to word translation here. Like if you are saying something for future tense in English, that would be like hopefully it would be, or it would taste nice to me. But here
Hmm.
this is like since you're talking about the after 3 weeks, so that is written in normal way. But since you're talking after 3 weeks, so that is why I am saying it would taste.
Would be correct. Clear.
Hmm. Okay.
One more line is left, no?
Hmm.
Okay, so ein und 30.
Hmm.
May
Yep.
geschafft,
Gish.
geschafft und Schokolade ist immer noch lecker. Means अभी उसको शायद चॉकलेट उतना टेस्टी नहीं लगता है.
Noch lecker. Still,
Noch
still
lecker.
tasty.
Still
Here she
tasty.
was saying, here
Okay.
she was saying ना कि it's been 8 weeks मैंने नहीं खाया, so hopefully after 8 weeks I would be able to feel the taste. So here she is saying she sorted for the 8 weeks and chocolates are still tasty. So that means she can still feel the taste.
Correct.
Okay. Now in fitness studio, let's do this listening part. Dry A.
Aufgabe 3a.
Audible, right?
Yeah.
Also, Svenja, wir machen jetzt einen Fitnesstest.
Okay, hoffentlich bin ich fit genug.
Ich muss erst das Gerät einstellen. Wie alt bist du?
Ich bin jetzt 27.
Alles klar. Und wie groß bist du?
1,75 Meter.
Entschuldige, aber dein Gewicht brauche ich auch. Wie viel wiegst du?
Oh, das möchte ich eigentlich nicht sagen.
Das brauche ich für den Test.
Also gut, ungefähr 68 Kilo.
Gut, dann machen wir jetzt zuerst den Fitnesstest.
Okay, so in the first.
Wie alt bist du? Is ich bin jetzt 27. And wie groß bist du? Is 1,75 Meter. And wie viel wiegst du? Ungefähr 68 Kilo.
Ungefähr, as in approximately.
Aufgabe 5a.
Okay, now.
Und B.
Alle bereit? Seid nicht so schlapp. Los geht's.
Aufgabe 5a und B.
Alle bereit? Seid nicht so schlapp. Los geht's. Zieht eure Knie hoch. Erst links, dann rechts. Svenja, du auch. Zieh abwechselnd ein Knie hoch. Haltet jetzt euren Rücken ganz gerade und steht ganz ruhig auf einem Bein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Und jetzt das andere Bein. Und spannt den Bauch an. Die ganze Zeit. Gut. Svenja, halt den Rücken ganz gerade. Genau. So, jetzt gib mir deine Hand und steh auf einem Bein. Jetzt stellt euch normal hin und streckt die Arme aus. Ganz nach oben. Super. Atmet langsam ein und wieder aus. Svenja, bitte streck die Arme gerade nach oben und atme ein und aus.
What they were doing here?
Looks like they're doing some exercise.
Yes. And there was a trainer who was giving instructions. And then, as per the pictures, we have to find out that first what we have to do, then we have to do, and after that what we have to do.
Okay.
So you want to listen to it once again along with the transcription.
Yes, along with transcription.
This was very fast.
Hmm.
Let me open this. Only. Alle bereits, that means already.
Okay. I am.
Aufgabe 7a.
Erst den Fit.
Aufgabe 5a und b.
Alle bereit? Seid nicht so schlapp. Los geht's. Zieht eure Knie hoch. Erst links, dann rechts. Svenja, du auch. Zieh abwechselnd ein Knie hoch. Haltet jetzt euren Rücken ganz gerade und steht ganz ruhig auf einem Bein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Und jetzt das andere Bein. Und spannt den Bauch an. Die ganze Zeit. Gut. Svenja, halt den Rücken ganz gerade. Genau. So, jetzt gib mir deine Hand und steh auf einem Bein. Jetzt stellt euch normal hin und streckt die Arme aus. Ganz nach oben. Super. Atmet langsam ein und wieder aus. Svenja, bitte streck die Arme gerade nach oben und atme ein und aus.
Transcription थी भी फिर भी कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, so let's do it together. No worries. Alles bereit? Already? Seid nicht noch so schlapp. Los geht's. Zieht eure Knie hoch. So hoch ziehen as in to pull up your knee. Hoch as in up, high.
Okay.
So hold your knee high. Knie is knee.
नहीं.
S links first at the left and then towards the right.
Right.
And yeah, this is the name of the person. Do auch. So maybe she was not doing, she was just standing. So the instructor is saying, Svenja, you too do that. See, abwechselnd ein Knie hoch. Hold your leg, hold your knee high. Haltest jetzt euren Rücken ganz gerade und steht ganz ruhig auf einem Bein. Now, halten means to hold.
Okay.
Hold your back, Rücken is back, ganz gerade. Hold your back straight, keep your back straight and stay peaceful and stay like normal and peaceful at one leg.
Okay. What is urine?
Iron, your.
Iron, your.
Okay. Ear, na?
Right.
Yes. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what the trainer did, he asked everybody to lift one of the knee and then they make them stand at one leg and told them to hold their back straight and then make them stand on their one leg and then he's counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the another leg, the same exercise with the another leg.
Okay.
Und spannt den Bauch an and keep your tummy tucked. Bauch, as in your tummy or your stomach, the ganze side. So by the time you're doing the whole time you're doing this exercise, keep your tummy tucked in. Gut, Svenja, halt den Rücken ganz gerade. Hold your back still straight. Genau, exactly. So jetzt gib mir deine Hand und steht auf einem Bein. So give me your hand if you're not able to do that. Maybe she was having some trouble standing at one leg. leg. So the trainer was asking, give me deine Hand. Give me your hand and stay out, stand at one leg. Jetzt stellt euch normal hin und streckt die Arme aus. Now everybody stays normal and then keep your arms straight. Strecken, as in to stretch. Stretch your arms straight, like they were doing here now. This one, the arm aus strecken, to stretch out.
Right.
Trennbare Verb. Strecken, ausstrecken.
Ausstrecken, right.
What happened? Strecken die Arme aus, ganz nach oben. Total towards upside. Oben is up.
Okay.
Super. Atmet langsam ein und wieder aus. So atmen here is the verb atmen. That means to breathe.
Okay.
Atmet, that has been conjugated as per ear.
Here.
Okay. So now we have einatmen und ausatmen. Einatmen und ausatmen. What does this mean?
Einatmen means a
To
breathe.
breathe in. To breathe in. Ein and then aus. To breathe in and then breathe out.
Breathe out.
Einatmen und ausatmen.
So einatmen is to breathe in.
Atmet ein und dann atmet aus. So if I am the trainer, I am training 3-4 people, so I would be saying as per ear. So atmet ein und dann atmet aus. But let's say I have one student only, so I would be saying atm ein und atme aus. Atme ein und atme aus.
Okay.
So that is imperative here.
Why this is imperative?
Because मैंने atmest नहीं लिखा ना. I'm giving command to somebody to breathe in and breathe out, and I would be obviously saying it in an imperative way. So atme ein und atme aus.
Okay.
ये clear है?
Yeah.
Note down.
Done.
Okay. Svenja, bitte streck die Arme gerade nach oben und atme ein und aus. So he is giving special instructions to Svenja. Maybe she is a lousy person there. So Svenja, please stretch your arms out and then breathe in and then breathe out. Abhi clear है ये?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is a quick small exercise im Fitnessstudio. Was braucht man? Arbeiten Sie mit dem Wörterbuch, sammeln Sie im Kurs. So what you have to do, you have to figure out like what all things you do need in a fitness studio. So there, das Handtuch, the hanky, which is given already. Then there are some pictures given. I am not able to understand ये क्या क्या है.
मैं भी नहीं समझ पाऊंगा फिर तो.
ये तो हेयर जेल जैसा लग रहा है मुझे.
फिटनेस स्टूडियो में हेयर जेल का क्या काम है?
But what is this then?
It can be some like a peanut butter sort of thing.
Box तो ये हेयर जेल जैसा लग रहा है. And I don't know what is this. Okay. So anyways, let's do one thing quickly. You have 5 minutes and then note down what all things you would need in the fitness studio along with the article. Make a list of 6-7 words along with the article, whatever you would need apart from the clothes which you did already as a homework. Hmm.
Okay.
So maybe any gadget specifically which you always take with you when you go to gym, or anything apart from like hanky which is there, your water bottle, your bag, then maybe
Okay.
your wristwatch, something like this.
Mm, that- Okay, so I have written 5 things.
Your screen.
I have written on the paper.
Okay. Hmm.
So first one is their bag. Bag is bag, na? In Deutsch also.
This is the Tasha. You
Tasche.
could have used the
Rucksack.
dictionary also.
Which dictionary?
Any dictionary, like online dictionary.
Okay. The Tasche. And the Wasser bottle,
Hmm. Okay.
right? And after that, the mobile phone, muscle.
Hmm. The Wasserflasche.
Right.
The Sport Tasche.
Sports bottle.
Das Handy. That is mobile.
Okay. And das gloves.
Gloves.
Huh.
Okay.
The
Handschuhe.
handshoe.
This is this is a very stupid word though. Handschuhe.
Are you sure this is the right word?
Yes.
Shoe. Okay. And the mask.
Okay.
मास्क अभी तो मास्क ले जाना पड़ता है.
Right. So mask would be like, I think mask only, the mask order the mask. I'm not sure about that if it would be mask or a masker. I'll check it and let you know.
और फेस शू.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. Not face
नहीं
shoe.
मतलब.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Homework.
एक मिनट.
No homework.
Sport or like your sports watch or something which maybe like a wristband you can consider, like
Mm-hmm.
sport or where you can write how much you are running. Then what else could be there?
Sports drink or
The armband, the handband or wristband.
mm-hmm.
ये note down कर लो and then we would be done for today.
Okay, no homework today?
No.
Okay, great. कल शायद ज़्यादा होमवर्क मिलने वाला है.
नहीं.
Okay, done.
ये सब आपने नोट डाउन किया है ना, और यू वांट मी टू कॉपी पेस्ट इन योर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन शीट?
मैंने किया है, मीन्स अगर आपको चाहिए तो मैं आई कैन सेंड यू द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ दैट.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. फॉर योर फॉर यू ओनली आई वाज आस्किंग. इफ नॉट रिटन आई विल कॉपी पेस्ट इट इन योर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन शीट.
ठीक है, वो बेटर है कि मीन्स इफ यू कॉपी पेस्ट इट, बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन दैट इन केस इन फ्यूचर इफ आई रिक्वायर, सो आई कैन रेफर इट, राइट?
ठीक है, मैं डेट वाइज ये वाला उसमें डाल देती हूँ. ओके,
ठीक है,
ठीक.
ग्रेट.
सी यू टुमारो.
थैंक यू,
बाय
बाय.
बाय.